ko.
Sumantik ko. Chocolate chip.
Time. Please do so within the next minute.
Patapos din, mahal.
Ano nawala eh?
Papatayin ko ng ilaw.
Hindi mamaya na, para pag ano,
Sige.
pag lumabas. Weekdays pa lang.
Tapos parang may decor pa. Sounds of Aura pala. Masyadong makapalang ako. Pasko na. Sumantik man, mahal.
Kanya mga skills. 40K ang buhay ng
Nag-iwan ko sa Metro Bank yung ko alam kung hindi pa sila nag-message. Ayan. Mama, dalawa ko.
Ako magtatanong.
tinatawagan sa taas na pangalan. From CTO, Market Division, John Manilay. Your pride is built the wall, so strong till it can't get built. Start once again. I'm loving you. If we go, and I
Tatry. Kimchi. Sunod.
Gusto mo, no? I think medyo mahirap din magregalo. Kaya ang
Coco Coffee Crisp. Try natin. Cookies. Triple chocolate, the usual oatmeal, cranberry. Try ko to. Nakakurious ako dito. Since mahilig din naman ako sa lemon. Try natin na siya. Here's the difference. Going to try this Yogi Beach Detox. Sulit na din kasi ay 16 flavors na siya. Just got back and I have here G&M lemon cookies. I remember ibang flavor na try ko. I have the cranberry, chocolate chip with white chocolate, and chocolate chip cookies as well. For only 140 calories per serving, about 2.5 servings per container. It contains milk, wheat, egg, soy, and tree nuts. Yun. Hello, ang cute. Here. Siguro mga kasing laki ng 20 peso coin. Lasa mo yung lemon, but not overpowering. It's just the right. Marami na ano rin akong milk, tsaka konting sugar. Perfect siya for tea. Sarap.
To talk to her pals. When I returned to give her the right bill, she flipped out again.
Ulan-ulan. Eto, magta-try na naman ulit. New drink. Yogi Peach Detox. It says the most of every cup. Bring water to boiling and steep 7 minutes. But definitely 1 tea bag lang since gabi na. It has burdock and dandelion and with warming cinnamon and ginger and fruity peach notes. Ito. So, ito yung itsura niyan. 1 T-Valve. Certified organic. This is also non-GMO and vegan. Parang ayokong itapon agad yung sachet niya kasi sobrang bango. Ito siya. Yun. Tayo ng Yakult. Alam niyo yung lasa ng pag umiinom ka na sa labat, pero mas lighter yung note. It is because of the balance of the herbs and the hint of peach, kaya hindi siya ganun ka-strong. Siguro maganda rin siyang paganda ng boses. Ito lang mag-wash dahil tapon tayo. Nagmukha siyang parang latte nung nilagyan ko ng sugar. Tikman natin kung mag-improve yung lasa niya. Mas na-highlight na yung Yakult nung nilagyan ng sugar. I think I will recommend this dun sa mga nako-constipate. Kailangan nilang mag-detoxify ng katawan. So, constipate na pag-upit na ulit ako ng hair para lang ma-improve na lang yung contact. Medyo